I've just come today to share with you a journal that I've made, and I've made this using lots of various leftovers I've had from all the journals that I've been making over the last, well, couple of months, I guess. So I've just had a sneezing fit before I started this video, so I'm trying to clear my head. So yeah, I shot a very quick video of lots of things that I'd pulled out from my big tub of bits and bobs, and I showed that on the chat group today, Junk Journal chat group, and this is what I've come up with, and I've still got tons and tons of things left over. So I've made a traveller's notebook. I've used this cardstock, and the traveller's notebook measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. I haven't printed anything out whatsoever for this. Everything was in that box. So I'm just trying to use it all up before I start printing off some more stuff. So I've done some layering here. This image was again in the stash, but I can't remember where it came from. Butterfly from Artie Mays. Just done some layering here and titled it Timeless. This will be listed in my shop. There is 80 pages front and back. So let's try and do this before I have another sneezing fit. This is from Artie Mays. Here we have a flip up there, and it's got it's a flip up and a flip down, and it also has a pocket. This image here is from Victoria Designs, and I've got things from Artie Mays and Dreams, etc. Tsunami Rose, you name it, they're all in here. Tags, I've always got tags made up, so I just stenciled them, added some pink eyelash trim. The back of that page was actually, I done printing on the back, and this is one of the background pages from Artie Mays as well. We have a doily in a paper bag, some Edith Holden, because when I get my Edith Holden books I tend to gut them straight away and put the pages that I know that I'm going to use nearer me, and the ones that I know I'm going to turn into pockets and decorate and cover completely, they'll go somewhere else. This is from Sue Olsen, who's the innkeeper. I've made just a very simple altered paper clip there, and then here, that was paper clipped on there. This is from My Porch Prints. That flips open. We have this little, well, it's not little, but this sheet of paper, that's from the Old Design Shop. I think this is from Artie Mays. If it's not from Artie Mays, it's from, I don't know where it's from, to be honest. I've got so much stuff printed off now. When I first do them, when I first print them off, I remember exactly where they all come from, but because these bits have been lying around for a while, kind of forget. Doily, this is a page from Victoria Designs that I didn't use in the, the kit is called Botanicals, I think. So I didn't use that, so I popped that in there. Here, this is the Old Design Shop. Here I've made a pocket. There's a pocket here, and then there's a little tuck there, so you can pop something in there, and I've just topped that with this image here, which is from Tsunami Rose. This is another printout from the Old Design Shop, and that goes in there. This is from Artie Mays. This is from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. That was already popped onto the paper. Again, this is Artie Mays, and that's a flip. And inside there we have a tri-fold like journaling piece with some corner punching and stamped. And then this is an index card. And a doily and a paper bag. Edith Holden. Excuse me. This is a Terri Woods pocket. You'll find Terri Woods and Climmy and Rita Donnelly. They're all linked below for their tutorials on how to make all their pockets, so you can check them out. That's just a flip, and this is a climmy idea, and that just tucks in the back like so. Shows you how to do that. An envelope here from Nectar's Creations. And that pops in there, and that is from Dreams Etc. Excuse me. This is a large jumbo tag from one of Artie Maisie's kits, so I just popped that in there. It's the Old Design Shop. We've got a flip here. Lots of journaling space. Just made a journaling card there. Another trifold in that flip, and that's just paper clipped on. Here is just a Rita Donnelly flip. This little image was alongside this from The Innkeeper, Sue Olsen, and excuse me, this is another piece from the Old Design Shop. Just pops in there. Large tag from Artie Mays, and it's got dragonfly on there. This must be from the Dragonfly Dreams kit. Another one of these, and this is from Tsunami Rose. Little pockets there. Paper bag. This, I just layered that up and decorated it a little bit, but this was already cut out and backed. It's backed onto something. Can't remember now. Another large tag. Oops. Tag from Artie Mays. 2 ephemera pieces. Again, that is from Artie Mays. I made this little banner, is from the Enchanted Caroline collection, so I just done some book page banners there, and then just topped that on there to make that a tuck. That's from, I think that's from Tsunami Rose. Just made another journaling card. This is from My Porch Prints. Another altered paperclip. And we have this journaling card, and this is from the Old Design Shop. That's the other side of the spare piece from, what did I say that was from again? Do you know, because I've used so much stuff, I'm getting tongue-tied with, with shop names. They're Victoria Designs. This is a Terri Woods double pocket flip out. Just decorated that with some scraps and a butterfly, and then this piece of bling, which funny enough was just stuck to one of my tubs for months, and I thought I'm going to use that. It's just been stuck there on its own, all by itself. Little postcard, that's from Dreams Etc. As is this, Dreams Etc. Large tag, and then that folds out and opens up for you to do some hidden journaling, and then it all folds back up. Pop everything in. I do apologise about the coughing, but I just can't help it. I've got really bad allergies to all sorts of things. Scents, and we've had the log burner on for a few times in the last couple of weeks, and I think it's just got up my nose. Oh, excuse me. Another trifold. That's the, obviously this is the other side of the front page, and this is the what I printed on the reverse side, and an index card. So that is that. So that was just using some of them scraps. There is so much more that I needed to get through, and that's going to be this week's challenge, unless I get distracted, because that's me. I can get distracted so quickly in what I want to do. I'm actually itching to start a Christmas journal, and I probably will do this week, but I want to try and use up some of my scraps first. So all the links will be below. If you have any questions, ask, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.